the 119 machine, you can see Team Ernie the Badger.
We felt he let himself down. He let me down. He just let a lot of people down. We were disappointed. It was a disgrace.
Make sure you don't fall to your death, Philip. Yeah, but I'm not sure. Didn't really touch that one. Yeah. So have a look at it. All right, stop logging. I put my hazard warning lights on, which I've never had before. Oh. Here? Was it turning there? No, I'm just ignoring you. Was it Old Stores Cafe, isn't it? I went there on my own. Well, you could go there on your Royal Enfield now and say, yeah, I did 800 miles last week around the Three Peaks, rather than like, oh yeah, I bought a Royal Enfield last year, I've done about 150 miles. I've been to the shops a couple of times, bought some jeans and some beer. Hi folks, we're now in Wales, as you'll notice by the excessive consonants on the sign. The land of excessive consonants and 20-mile-an-hour speed limits, but hopefully we'll be avoiding those. Beautiful day today. There's just a beautiful view out there. It's a little bit overcast and quite cool, a bit of a change from yesterday, and I think we'll probably be walking into the clouds on Snowdon, but it was too hot yesterday really. This is where Ben got married, his in-laws' hometown, his wife's hometown. We got leathered here the night before. This is Rithin. "20 miles an hour, really?" Oh, it's the Germans. Just well, you can't hear what Ben's saying on my microphone. We've just done a slight route change because Ben had decided that we were going to go on the A5 and I didn't like the sound of that. But I suggested roads to him last night, and which we'd scoped out previously. I just switched my camera on because we can see the sea. Probably can't see it now. Oh, just over there. We're on a piddly little road to where we're going to park up for our climb. Riddu. That nav says 22 minutes till we get there. Oh, it's on now. Oh, it's on, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've just been talking to a camera that was switched off for the last 5 minutes. We're just a few minutes from our parking place. For camera is still on, yeah. Yeah, it's a few minutes away. We're going to park for Ben Nevis. It's coming up to 12:30. Going to have a bite to eat, get a kit on. I'm going to have to do it in 2 videos because iPhones won't let you flip it when it's recording videos. We're in Snowdon. I did some videos on the way here, but I don't know what's recording and what hasn't because the GoPro battery died. So I'll probably be repeating myself. Ben's just getting a stone out of his shoe. So yes, we're on our way up Snowdon. We started just about 10 to 1:15. We reckon it might be a bit quicker than 5 hours looking at the map. It's a fairly easy descent, and if we're coming down a similar path, it should be easier than it was yesterday. So yeah, hoping to be down about 5 o'clock. Are you done, Ben?
Yeah.
I'll catch up with you later when we get to the top. Might be having a cup of tea in a cafe. It's not quite this gnarly mountain when there's a train and a cafe there, is it? Mega shed out. Hello. Oh, bit of a scary bit here. Pointy mountain. Look at that. Vlogging. Ben's getting a bit twitchy. Make sure you don't fall to your death, Philip. Bloody seagull on the top of Snowdon. What's it doing here? Here we go, last little bit up to the top. Ben beat me to it. Landscape. Oh. Not much of a view, I'm afraid. Very rare that there is up here. Video. Okay, Mega Shed Diaries. That's 5 peaks between 2 I make it. Yeah, so I definitely had a biff chit for the first one. But I'm pleased to make it. Do you know what a biff chit is?
I do.
Yeah. I think it's battle fitness fail. Well, we've got another peak to do actually, because we're going to go drop down a bit and then go up another one before we go down. So it'll be 3 peaks, just not the 3 peaks. Mega Shed out. You have to try changing gear without the clutch. I was saying you have to try doing clutchless upshifts. Right, second to third, load the pedal, yeah. Yeah, so you put a little bit of pressure on the pedal and it won't go anywhere with under your toe, and only when you roll off it'll click up, indicator wanker. Yeah, so you can carry on through the gears like that. It gives you a faster, smoother gear change. But yeah, I don't recommend it for downshift. Yeah, I'm getting mainly wind noise from you today. Oh, there's going to be like 20-mile-an-hour limits, isn't there? We've just got back to Chester after doing Snowdon. We completed in about 4 hours. We're quite pleased with that. I had a bit of a damp ride back and we're all a bit cold and chilly, much colder than yesterday. But that's trip completed, and just looked at my trip count and we've done 960 something miles in 5 days, and I think it's all gone quite well.
Yeah.
But, we're going to have to have a bit of a debrief, and we want to pick our top 5 moments or something. Don't know what we're going to do with that. Anything to say, Ben?
No, thanks for looking after me, Phil.
You're welcome.
I didn't crash, so that's the result.
Yeah. Right, so yeah, I'm going to get out of here and get home before Ben's wife lynches me. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Just unloading the van, taking the kit off the bike. Waterproof trousers. They can go in the bin.
I could go.